Changing the edge lighting color on the Galaxy S24 allows you to personalize how notifications appear, making it easier to identify alerts and adding a visual flair to your device. Let's dive into how you can change the color of the notification edge lighting to suit your style. Start by tapping the home button to return to your home screen. Once you're there, swipe down from the top of the screen to access your notifications panel and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find notifications and select it. From there, tap on notification pop-up style. Now make sure you select brief mode, as choosing details will prevent the edge lighting from appearing. Once brief is selected, continue by tapping on edge lighting style. Next, tap on the color tab. By default, the system may automatically assign a color, but to make it more personalized, switch it to manual selection. You'll see a range of color options. Simply pick the one that catches your eye, maybe green, blue, or any color from the swatches or spectrum. You can even use the color picker for more precision, choosing from a wider range of shades. After selecting your preferred color, tap Done to save your changes. Now, whenever you receive notifications, your new edge lighting color will appear, adding that extra flair to your device. And that's it. You've successfully changed your edge lighting color. Enjoy your customized notifications, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.